Okay, here's a thought for you. Um, I've been doing a lot of planning for after I'm gone, right? And I've got three adult children that I'm considering or preparing for when I pass away. And right now, if I put all of my assets, all of my houses into one trust, and then it's dispersed, each one of them gets a third of it. Guess what? I just put those three kids in business together, and they're all in very different periods of their life. One of them is getting married and just starting a family. Maybe they don't want to have rental properties. Maybe they want to buy a bigger house because they've got kids on the way. I've got another one who's just starting out. Maybe he wants to go back to school. Maybe he needs funds to finance that. And then I've got another one who's divorced with two kids who are all, his consideration maybe of college as those kids can. So we've got these three kids whose lives are in very different stages and their needs are very different. And guess what? The way my estate is set up right now, when I die, I just put them in business together, right? And the last thing in the world I want to do is to set up a situation where these kids are fighting about the outcomes of things. When a little bit of simple tweaking might set that up in such a way that one of them has got a part of the estate where they can liquefy it and pay for college. Another one may want rental properties. Another one may want a larger, and the whole difference between those two outcomes is planning. I am your real estate planner. I'd love to have this conversation with you, help you assess your plan, make sure it does specifically what you want it to do, make any tweaks necessary. Again, I'm Roxane Webster, your real estate planner. I look forward to having this conversation with you.